Hello guys, now we are going to see a concept regarding bitwise left shift. Bitwise left shift operator is represented by this symbol. It contains two operand. One is at left side and other is at right hand side. The left operand value is moved by the number of bits specified by right hand side, right operand. For example, now we are going to left shift 4 by 2 bits. The binary representation for 4 is 100. At first shift, we get 1000. At second shift, the value will be 10000. This binary value represents 16. So our output must be 16. Let's have another example. Now we are going to left shift 3 by 4 bits. The binary representation of 3 is 011. At first shift, the value must be 110. At second shift, the value will be 1100. At third shift, the value must be 11000. At fourth shift, the value must be 110000. This binary value represents 48. So our output must be 48. Let's see how to code for this program. For this, now we have to declare two integer variable to represent left operand value and right operand value. Then we have to read it from user by using this scanf statement. Then we have to use this printf statement to print the left shifted value. Here, left operand, then left shift operator and right operand. Now we will run this code. Now our input is 4 and 2. Now our output is 16. Let's have another input. Now our input is 3 and 4. Here 3 is left shifted by 4 bits. Then we got 48 as the output. Okay, thanks for watching.